These instructions are compliant to the ANSI WCMA A100.1/2022, which were revised from the 2018 instructions. Installation instructions for the SureShade Universal Drive Tension Device, consisting of one assembled device, one slider, a slider lock, two brackets, one for an outside and one for an inside mount, each having a nub that will fit into the assembled device, one 1/2 inch long number 4 wood screw, and two 1 1/2 inch long number 6 wood screws, and a cable tie. Also included are printed instructions. Attach the device to bead chain or cord loop. Drop the bead chain or cord loop into the device. While pulling the screw hole part down, insert the slider from the side into the center of the device and push into place. Install the slider lock by hand into the slider. Use needle nose pliers to push the slider lock onto the slider. Press one side of the slider lock until a click is heard. And then press the other side of the slider lock until a click is heard. To verify the installation, ensure the slider lock is flush to or below the surface of the slider. The chain is now inoperable without pulling down on the screw hole part. Install the device using the two 1 1/2 inch long screws for an outside mount or an inside mount. The short screw fits into the screw hole of the device. The nub on the bracket fits into the back of the screw hole on the device. Attach the device to the outside mount bracket. The nub on the bracket fits into the back of the screw hole on the device. Use the short screw to attach the device to the outside mount bracket. Pull down on the bracket. Align the center of the screw hole part with the indicator line on the device. Hold the device firmly in place. Check if the loop can move freely through it. If the device locks onto the loop, it is too loose, and the bracket and device should be moved down. If the loop does not run freely through the device, it is too tight, and the bracket and the device should be moved up. Mark for the placement of the screw holes. Detach the device from the bracket by removing the short screw. Pre-drill the holes for the bracket. Align the bracket screw holes with the drilled holes and mount the brackets with the long screws. Reattach the device to the bracket with the short screw. Check to ensure the loop can move freely through the device without engaging the lock. For an inside mount installation, refer to the printed instructions.